Students, welcome to the podcast sessions. In this podcast, I will discuss the concept and meaning of equality. Students, you must have heard about the friendship of Krishna and Sudama. We all know that Krishna was very rich and Sudama very poor. But still, their friendship was known to the entire world. Today we see that although Constitution has guaranteed equality through fundamental rights, yet in reality everybody is not equal. Now we see that our country India is a democratic country. Now whenever we say that India is a democratic country, it means that each and every citizen or person who is above 18 years of age has the right to vote, irrespective of what caste they belong to, whether they are educated or not, whether rich or poor. When we say that everybody has the right to vote, we give it a term universal adult franchise. Let's bifurcate the meaning of universal adult franchise. Universal means applicable to everyone, which applies to everyone. Adult, all members of the country above 18 years of age. And franchise, it means voting rights, right to vote. So whenever any country is a democratic country, it has the right to choose its own representative or leader. So the idea of universal adult franchise is based on the idea of equality, because it states that every adult in a country, irrespective of their wealth and the communities she or he belongs to, has one vote. So children, what we understand is that Constitution has given us equality, but we are going to discuss in this chapter whether actually or in reality everybody is equal or not. Now let's see what are the other kinds of equality. One, that equality depends on class. So the person can be discriminated on the basis of whether he or she is rich or poor. Apart from class, the second type of inequality that exists in the society is caste system. You all know that Indian society has been subdivided since ages into various castes and subcastes. So the caste follows the basis of inequality. Apart from class and caste, religion also forms the basis of inequality. So let's summarize that there are few factors which proves to be the basis of inequality. One is class, second is caste, and third, religion. So dear children, please read the chapter till we meet next.